Hi, I'm Dave Rumpel of Rumpel's Tax, Accounting, and Consulting Services. The topic that I'm going to cover in this session is the 5 key legal documents that we feel every person should have. In summary form, those legal documents would be a will, a durable power of attorney, a living will, a healthcare power of attorney, and a financial inventory or summary. Now a little bit in detail about each one of those documents. A will is generally used to dictate how you want your affairs handled and your property distributed once you've passed away. It's also used to appoint an executor or an administrator, so the person that can handle your affairs and see to your wishes. And one of the other primary things it does is it appoints a guardian or custodian for any minor children that you may have. And I think that's one of the more important issues in the will, is because a lot of younger people don't feel they need a will because they're not that far along in their financial lives. But to a point, if they have minor children, to see that those minor children are cared for, the will is the vehicle to accomplish that. The next item is a durable power of attorney. This legal form is generally used to appoint someone to handle your financial or business affairs should you become incapacitated. So paying bills, transacting other issues in your financial regards, that is what the durable power of attorney will accomplish. The third item, a living will, is generally used to address what methods and extents that you would care for medical care professionals to engage in if you're not able to make decisions in that regard as far as life-saving, fluid and food administration, resuscitation, things along those lines. That's what the living will address and cover as far as your wishes. The healthcare power of attorney is used in conjunction with the living will, and it's used to appoint someone to make medical decisions for you if you are not in a position to do so. So as far as care and treatment, that person will have the decision-making process as what might be done in your medical regards. And lastly is the financial inventory or summary, which basically lays out where all these documents are located, as well as other things, insurance policies and things of that nature. So someone can find their way through all this stuff if that situation arises. None of these legal documents do much good if something happens and no one knows where they're at. And quite frankly, that's very often a case that I hear from clients, is they've lost a loved one or a loved one is incapacitated and no one knows where to find the documents to help them with the guidance that they need. Now, there's many methods you could use to prepare these documents. With today's internet technology, you can find legal form preparation things online. You can go to Office Max, Office Depot, places like that, and find software or even form kits to do so. Or of course you can have an attorney prepare them. If you choose not to have an attorney prepare them, I would highly recommend that you at least have an attorney review them to make sure that they are complete and legal and sound. But the best option is to have an attorney prepare the documents, assist in preparing the documents for you. So that's our topic today. As always, you can contact our office for all your tax, accounting, and financial needs. You can contact us if you have further questions on this topic, or if you'd like to see other topics addressed in this informational series. And we'd also like to hear any feedback that you'd like to offer on this or our other topics that we present. You can call our office at area code 815-708-7315. You can email us at either rumpelstax@aol.com or daverumpel1@aol.com. Also, feel free to check out our website, which is www.rumpelstax.com. Thanks for taking the time for viewing this, and have a good day.